Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Let's build our own empire with money. So it's me Surya Prakash. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to find the trending topics for YouTube. This video is not specifically for finding the trending topics on YouTube, but you can also use this way in order to find the trending topics all over the globe in Google searches, YouTube. I mean, with this way, you'll be able to find all the trending topics in the world digitally. Okay, so guys, before we go on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to be, be updated on the real-time tech updates, such as text now, how to make virtual numbers and how to make social media accounts using those virtual numbers, etc. So guys, let's just let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. This video is contains information until then, so watch this video until then. Do not skip any part of this video. So for YouTubers, this page, you would have been familiar with this page. This is actually the YouTube channel analytics page. Okay, so right now the YouTube has introduced a new feature known as research over here. The research enables you to find the topics which let me explain you with an example. Let me search for phones. By searching, I'll be able to find which topics are trending among the users, and by opening this, I'll be able to locate which channels are also good in this, etc. Okay, so this is the way with which YouTubers actually find the trending topics, and YouTube also gives you what your viewers search, and you will also be given an option to save the searches. So this is the covering the research area. So the thing which I was speaking about, how to find the trending topics, I was not referring to the research section. I was referring to something else other than the research section, which enables you to find the searches in Google search or the YouTube, etc. So that page is known as the trends.google.com. It's known as Google Trends, and this is an example of Google Trends. I mean, these are the 4 searches which I inputted in the Google Trends, and I have set my filter to YouTube search, and over here, as you can see, I'll be able to identify which searches are good in which country. Okay, so they give me all the specific details by which I'll be able to find which searches are good in this related to these search results. And I'll be able to customize my videos and make new videos on these categories. Okay, so for example, previously we saw a phone, right? So let me search for phone over here. For searching phone, we got first result and nothing phone, best phone. There are 3 volumes of searches. I mean, high, medium and low. As you can see, all of them are high. My channel's best search are text now. So as you can see, there are medium searches and there are also low searches. Okay, so by searching for phone, we would have got something interesting. Let me show you what. See, by looking at phone, we got a new breakout. It shows you 25 queries which all the users over all the world search. We'll be able to categorize the region, etc. Let me choose United States over here for the past 12 months or for the past 7 days. As you can see over here, this are my results over here. Which countries searches are more, etc. So using this method, we'll be able to find the trending topics on YouTube web search. This is by Google, so we'll be able to find Google is the most famous search engine, so what ranks in the web search is going to be the digital search. Okay, so by image search, we'll be able to choose by the news search or Google Shopping or YouTube. You have totally 5 searches. Okay guys, I hope this video was clear to you, and I hope I did explain everything related to this topic. If you want any more bonus videos such as how to earn money using a browser, or how to make social media accounts using virtual numbers, the two for entirely for free. I'll leave few videos links in the description and the first comment. Just go check it out in order to learn more and do more. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to click on thumbs up button below this video, and like told before, do not forget to click on the subscribe button, the bell button near the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.